A very good morning, everybody. Let's quickly have a look where we are right now as a sentiment point of view. Looking at equity markets starting from Asia Pac, China has shown a really modestly upward momentum after we had Powell comments. It was a testimony that Powell gave some. I think it was a neutral, if I can say, or pretty much a little bit dovish comments he made, and Asia Pac really took some advantage after North American sessions got closed, and it just followed the same risk on mood and gave a really nice upward momentum. So looking at EMEA, Germany 30, Europe 50, if we talk about FTSE 100, all of them are currently trading in a green area, and looking at the North American equity market, S&P 500 is just consolidating, and even though if we talk about Nasdaq, it's also consolidating right there. The reason can be given to CPI report we're gonna have at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, and the move we have seen yesterday, or let's say in a last session of North American, was due to the Powell testimony. He, as I said before, gave a really nice push to the equities, and gave a really headwind to the dollar, as dollar is currently soft across the board. Moving to the commodity section, same story here. Gold and copper and silver, all of them getting benefit from the softer dollar. However, it's just consolidating, as we are seeing. It's just like when you have a very major event sitting at 8:30 a.m. The market is just trying to get that data before placing any trades. So moving to the energy sector, there is nothing special going on here. It's just after a nice push back to 83 level, it's just shown a rejection of that price. Same story with the Brent crude oil, and natural gas is doing the same thing as has been doing from past couple of sessions. So pretty much mixed bag. If we look at the commodity section. Now moving to the bonds. Okay, let it just get it load. I don't know, it does every time, like, come on. All right, so if we look at the bond market is also just I said before, it's just some of other asset classes just consolidating. Looking at the US 10-year yield is just sitting right there flat at 4.3%. New Zealand is showing some downward momentum. However, UK bonds has gone up after we had hawkish comments from Powell, Mann, and also we had a stronger than expected GDP data from Great Britain. Germany, same story here. Canadian showing a little bit upside momentum. However, if we look at the major benchmark, United States Treasury 10-year yield is just consolidating right over there. So there isn't any risk on or off. It's just flat in the bond market. And now moving to the FX space, pound is the strongest as usual because of the hawkish comments from Bank of England, Pillman, and also the stronger GDP we had. CAD is weakest across the board. There is nothing major catalyst behind it. So, but it's worth keeping in mind that the CAD is the weakest, followed by USD. The reason we already have on the table is because all credit goes to Powell. Yen, same story, but nothing special. The third weakest currency, and the pound and euro is leading the pack. So looking at overall market, it's not risk off, if I say. It's a flat or just neutral bias the market has. Market not trying to, I think, make a decision that which way they wanna go. They're just sitting where from a three, or let's say from the last session. So major event to look forward is CPI data we are having. Alongside, we also having jobless claims. So make sure you look those data before placing any trade. And if you have any questions, please comment down in the comment section, and I will try to get back to you all, and I will try to answer your questions if you have any. So that's it, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.